Open Inkscape. mm, Go to edit preferences and go to interface. Select theme, use dark theme, change the icons, select any color you want. Okay, go to view custom. Let's draw a circle with yellow color. Then select the polygon tool. Make sure you select the polygon and increase it by 6. Draw a polygon. Now change its color. Hold shift and select the yellow circle. Press Ctrl Shift A to get the align and distribute panel. Align them on vertical and horizontal axis. Reduce the size by holding Ctrl Shift. Okay, let's draw. We need to make bar to fill it. Let's draw small bars and make sure it snaps properly. Make sure the snap property is on and rotate it so that it joins the line. Make sure it is perfect. The joint. Okay. Now with each rotation you need to rotate it 4 times by holding Control. Repeat the process until you are finished. Duplicate it and rotate it. To duplicate, press Ctrl D. Now hold shift and select every bar. Press Ctrl plus. Select the yellow by holding shift and press Ctrl minus. Now we have got the shutter. We can delete the hexagon. Go to path and select break apart. Now you can select individual post object and change its color as you like. Press Ctrl Shift F to open the panel and you can change the color as you like. So we have created the icon successfully. That's it, you have created the icon. You can change the color as you like.